Let's talk about what actually comes with the Decking in a Day kit. First of all, it ships with the weed barrier. You're gonna get 2 different sizes of pavers. It comes with the frames. Then you have the deck boards. The deck boards are pre-cut along with the fascia. Next item that comes in your kit, levels. Then what we're gonna give you is some tools to bolt these frames together. We'll give you a ratchet, some wrenches, some hidden fasteners. The next thing that we provide, face screw. So on the end of every board, you will face screw it. And then what we'll do is hide that with a plug. They match the deck board that you bought with your kit. Now that we've shown you all the items, I hope that you see how easy it is to install a deck in your backyard in one day. But of course, if you don't have the time, Decking in a Day offers professional installation anywhere in the United States. Please visit our website, call 805-600-1108, and we look forward to helping you in any way we can to enjoy a deck in your backyard this season.